Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test between a Vivo Y12 versus a Huawei Y7 Prime 2019. So let's get right into it. So starting off by booting both phones up at the same time. Here we go. And looking at first on the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019, little bit faster there. And Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 comes with a Snapdragon 430 processor with a 3 GB RAM versus a MediaTek Helio A22 processor with a 3 GB RAM. And Vivo Y12 is faster, and Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 is also right behind, about 1 second difference there. And both phones comes with a 720p with the IPS LCD display, not Super AMOLED on these devices. So let's see the app's opening speed. So everything is closed up in the background like always. Phone dialer, first application, faster on the Huawei Y7 Prime, and Y12 is right behind. Settings, that is faster on the Vivo Y12, and Y7 is also right behind. My clock, that was about the same on both phones. Calendar, and that is little bit quicker on the Vivo Y12, and Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 is right behind. My files, again that is little bit faster on the Vivo Y12, and Y7 Prime is right behind, no difference there. Calculator, and that was about the same on both phones. You guys are a judge of the speed test. So let's see some games application, and first is the Candy Crush, and this where we will see the performance. And Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 is faster, Vivo Y12 is right behind. Next on the list is the Subway Surfer, and that is slightly quicker on the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019. So last game application is the Temper Run 2, and Vivo Y12 is right behind to the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019, about half a second difference when it comes of games opening speed. And that is faster on the Vivo Y12, interesting, and Y7 is right behind. So last opening up the cameras, faster, little bit quicker I think on the Vivo Y12, and Y7 is right behind. So let's see the internet browsing speed, and I am using the Google Chrome on the Y7 versus a Vivo internet browser on the Vivo Y12, and same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And the first website is the Amazon.com, and that is faster on the Vivo Y12, and you can see. And Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 is still taking some time, and now it is also done, looking very smooth on both phones, and you can see. And same thing with zooming in and out, and you can see I can't zoom in and out on the Y7. So next on the list is the apple.com, and that is about the same. Let's see. And the content is showing first on the Vivo Y12, and Huawei Y7 is right behind, and you can see up and down scrolling is very smooth on both phones. Same thing with zooming in and out, and you can see. And once again 5000 mAh battery size on the Vivo Y12, and again very smooth performance on these devices. So let's see the RAM measurement, and both phones comes with a 3 GB RAM, and I accidentally removed the phone dialer on Y7 Prime, but my clock, let's see, yes, that is not refreshed. So far really good on both phones. And the calculator, that is still there. Candy Crush, and the games is also kept there in the memory. Let's see the Subway Surfer, that is also not refreshed. And last game application, Temper Run 2, that is also not refreshed on both phones. And last, we are back to the internet browser that we have left. Overall, I would say that the system-based application, it is faster on the Huawei Y7 Prime, as well as some games. One game is faster on the Vivo Y12. RAM management is very good on both phones, no difference there. With the app's operating speed, very small difference there. So thank you so much for watching this speed test between a Vivo Y12 versus a Huawei Y7 Prime. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.